Click on the link below to get price. The Isinwheel electric bike for adults is an impressive combination of power, efficiency, and portability. Powered by a robust 500W motor, this folding e-bike delivers a thrilling ride, reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. The acceleration is smooth and responsive, making it an excellent choice for urban commuting or adventurous weekend rides. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its folding design. Weighing in at approximately 50 pounds, it conveniently collapses for easy storage and transportation. Whether you're stowing it in your apartment or loading it into your car for a weekend getaway, the compact form factor is a significant advantage. The bike's available sizes 14-inch, 16, 20, and 26 cater to various rider preferences, ensuring a comfortable fit for most adults. The battery life is equally noteworthy. With a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, it offers ample distance for daily commutes or leisure rides. Charging is straightforward and takes around 4 to 6 hours, making it convenient for regular use. The removable battery adds an extra layer of practicality, allowing users to charge the battery separately from the bike. The overall build quality is commendable, featuring durable materials that can withstand the rigors of daily use. The suspension system enhances comfort, effectively absorbing shocks from uneven terrain. Furthermore, the bike includes front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power, a crucial feature for safety. In terms of aesthetics, the Isinwheel e-bike has a sleek and modern design that appeals to a wide range of users. The LED display is easy to read and provides essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled. Overall, the Isinwheel electric bike excels in delivering a blend of performance, convenience, and style. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring scenic trails, this e-bike is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience.